Hello everyone. On today's video we will continue viewing the use of strategy wizard to create crossover strategies. For example, here we have a MACD. The MACD is the green line and the other is the average. The histogram is the difference between both. So when we have a zero, we have a crossover. There are several setups to trade with the MACD. The most known is the crossover between the MACD and its average. There is another setup where we look the crossover between the MACD and the zero line, like here and here. So we only use one of the MACD lines. It has more delay. It is mostly used to define the trend, because we can see that depending the time frame used and the parameters of the MACD, the period of the both moving average, maybe sometimes we can use one or the other approach. Usually the crossover between the MACD and its average is very much faster than the crossover with the zero line. Having the MACD over or below the zero line is more like a filter condition. But anyway, we will see both methods today using the strategy wizard on NinjaTrader 7. The procedure in NinjaTrader 8 is exactly the same. So we go to Tools, New NinjaScript, Strategy. So we start a wizard. Next, we type a name, for example with MACD crossover. We make it to calculate at bar close and fill the input parameters. For example, the parameters of the MACD. The MACD has three lines: MACD, average, and smooth. And on this case, the default settings are 12, 26, and 9. So the user can change the settings and optimize the settings of the MACD. Now the conditions. The condition for long is that the MACD line, on this example we will see the cross by 0. So on the tab number 1 we place the conditions for a long. We click on add. On the left pane we need to place the MACD, the line. So we look for the MACD indicator with the three input parameters that instead of leaving them fixed, we can place our input parameters. So we click on the dots. I placed the wrong names for the input parameters. Let's use fast, slow, and smooth. So the fast period, the slow period, and the smoothing. So now we can continue. Let's go again. On the tab number 1, click on add. Look for the indicator MACD. Replace the fixed input parameters by the user defined inputs. Now the names are more according to the name of the input parameter. So we click on fast, slow, and smooth. So now on the left pane we have the line. On the right pane we need to place a 0 a cross above 0. So we look for the miscellaneous, and inside there is a numeric value. So now we can place a 0. So this is a function, cross above, and now we add actions when that condition is true. For example, enter long, and also we can paint a signal. The easiest signal to paint is a vertical line in color blue. And now we can duplicate this tab. On Ninja 7 we cannot duplicate the tab, we need to copy the conditions and paste it on the second tab. The same for the actions, copy and paste. And now we can edit the conditions and the actions. So we create the tab for shorts. Instead of a cross above, a cross below. When the MACD cross below the 0, like here. Instead of entering long, we enter short. And we also draw a vertical line, but in red color. Click on next. Now we can add targets and stops. I forgot to add input parameters for this, but let's add a fixed target of 10 ticks and also a fixed stop in ticks of 15. Click on next, finish, it compiles. Now to apply the strategy, first of all I want to see the results, I want to see the trace on the chart. So we right click, select data series and check that the plot executions is enabled. If not, we are not going to see any trade. Now strategies, search the last one we created with MACD crossover, select the input parameters like the one we have on the panel and set enable to true. Click on OK, and there we have an entry, a long entry and a short entry. The problem is it seems that it is looking at the average, not at the MACD. This is a crossover of the MACD, of the average against 0, same here. Same here. Here there was a MACD crossover, but not of the average, so there is no trade. Maybe there was a mistake on when I typed the conditions. Let's edit again the strategy with MACD crossover. Go to the conditions, and here we can see a point ABC. So let's edit the condition. When we add an indicator with several lines, one of the input parameters is the plot that we want to use. I forgot to assign the correct plot. The plot is not the average, I want to use the MACD. So let's change this, and the same may happen on the shorts. Yes, we have an average. So edit and replace the average plot by the MACD. So now click on OK, next, finish, wait for the compile, and now we can right click and reload NinjaScript. Click on yes, and now the signal should be at the green line crossover, the MACD, not the average, like here. So now it is okay. This is a MACD crossover by 0. On the other trades, here we have long. On the previous version was no signal because the average never touches the 0. And now, if we forget about the crossover by 0 and we look for the crossover between the two lines, I guess you already know which is the change we need. We edit the strategy, and instead on the right panel, instead of using a 0, we place again the same line, no, the same indicator, but the other line, the average. So go to the conditions, edit the cross above, and on the left pane we have the MACD with the plot MACD. On the right pane we need the same, so we look for the same indicator, MACD, the same parameters, MACD, the same 3 input parameters, fast, slow, and smooth, this one. And the plot now is the average, MACD, cross above, average. Do the same on the second tab for the shorts. So on the right pane, look for the MACD indicator, and now add the input parameters, fast, slow, and smooth. The plot is the average, MACD versus average. Click on OK, next, finish. And now refresh again the chart, and the signal should be here and the short should be here. So right click, reload NinjaScript, and there we have the new signals. Hope this video has been useful for you, and if you have any question, please post below this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.